In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export tasks from ClickUp to Excel. To get started, open ClickUp and navigate to the list view or table view that contains the tasks you want to export. This part is important because the export will reflect the specific view you're working in. If you're managing multiple folders, spaces, or projects, take a moment to confirm that you're in the right location before moving on. Once you're in the correct view, apply any filters, sorting, or grouping you want included in the exported data. For example, you might want to show only tasks assigned to a certain team, only tasks with a specific status, or tasks within a particular date range. You can also sort the list in a way that makes the final spreadsheet easier to review. Setting this up in advance helps ensure your export is clean, relevant, and ready to use. Next, look to the upper right corner of the view and click Customize. This is where ClickUp gives you additional options for controlling how the current view behaves and what data can be pulled from it. From the Customize menu, select Export. This will open the export settings where you can decide exactly how your task information should be downloaded. When prompted for a format, choose Excel. This is the best option if you want to analyze your tasks in a spreadsheet, share them with others, or continue working with the data outside of ClickUp. After that, choose whether you want to export only the visible columns from your current view or all available task fields. If you only need the information currently shown on screen, visible columns may be the simplest choice. If you want a more complete dataset, select all available task fields. You'll then be asked how task names, descriptions, custom fields, and dates should appear in the export. Review these options carefully, since they affect how easy the spreadsheet will be to read and work with later. Choosing the right formatting now can save you time when sorting, filtering, or sharing the file. Finally, click Download. ClickUp will generate the file and save the Excel export to your device. Once it's downloaded, open it and quickly review the contents to make sure everything appears the way you expected. That's all it takes to export tasks from ClickUp to Excel. Thanks for watching.